Hello, gorgeous. So what are we going to talk about today? We are going to do a review on these Tiger side steps.
Here's the driver's side. Passenger side with a little bit of bird poop there because I have a bird that loves to sit on that mirror. Here is a little sidestep demonstration. From this view, the camera is sitting directly on the step.
They get a lot of heat on the forums. A lot of people are like, "Oh, it's not really a rock slider. It's not really a step. Like, what's the point?" And like for me, I just kind of go through the list of what I need, how I purchase things, and how I spend my money. And I needed something that was a step for the kids, and I didn't need rock sliders. Where I live, it's pretty flat. I'm not taking this thing out to do any like serious elevation changes or a lot of rock crawling. So these kind of fit the bill for what I need and for getting my kids in and out, getting my little short wife in and out. So other than that, I really don't see a reason why for someone like me, if I'm not going to do any hardcore rock sliding, that I need rock sliders. So they work great for me. I have had several kind of rocks go flying off of them on the highway, especially if you got knobby tires. The rocks will get stuck in them, and then you hop on the highway, and they're just flinging all over the place. And you can hear, like, remember those old school gunshots in the movies? Sounds like that. Yeah. So for me, they've done everything that they need to do. I know my kids enjoy them. My wife likes them. If I did live up north and did anything harder than what I do, I would go ahead and just spend the money on some real rock sliders. Install was ridiculously easy. Again, I'm talking like maybe I don't know, half hour, under a half hour, like a one-arm baby could do it, and then go to brunch, and it wouldn't have any issues. So yeah, I enjoy them. I like them. They fit the bill for what I need. I'll put a link to where I got them. It's an Amazon deal. So super easy to put on. No real issues with them. They've handled everything that I've been able to throw at them well. They have stopped a couple of car doors from banging into my door at parking lots here. So I have noticed that. I've seen it firsthand. So They work out great for that. They do stick out quite a little bit, so you have to get used to them at first. But after that, no real issues. Like I said, some of the heat that I see or that I read about on the forums has to do with, guys that are really putting a beating on their trucks and taking it and doing some steep elevation changes and actually needing rock sliders. If you don't need them, I would say you don't have to buy them. You can get away with something like this. Like I'll be honest, I'm not a huge fan of how they spelled Tiger or the stars, but it it's minimal to me. I got too much going on in my life for something like that to bother me. I have seen and also seen it on the forums where they sell this like 4-inch kind of skateboard tape, and it fits right over like the logo pretty well. So if you wanted to get into that, you could do that to cover it if the logo bothered you that much. But just honestly, they fit, and work for everything that I need. So I don't have any major issues with them. I would buy them again. I didn't want those predator steps because I feel like if I ever do take it out or go do anything outside, that step that hangs down is more likely to get caught up. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, go ahead and drop them down there for me. I'll do my best to get back to you. If there's anything else that you want me to talk about or you have any questions on the side steps themselves, let me know. I know my kids love them. My short wife loves them. They do everything that I need to do, so I don't have any issues with them. Hope you guys are having a good one.